Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. New week, new opportunities. Monday morning, time to track down what's going on. We're gonna have very good events this week, definitely. We start with Monday, United States, Martin Luther King's Jr. Day, so we expect a little bit, slower day with a lower volatility than usual. In the evening, 6:30 p.m., President Lagarde is gonna give a speech. ECB president. So euro could be volatile in the evening, but for now the market is just sleeping and is going very slow. Tuesday, tomorrow, Bank of Japan outlook report. So the Japanese yen is expected to be a little bit more volatile. GBP, two events on the GBP, average earning index and claimant count change. I wouldn't say so significant events. Wednesday, it's interesting. Core CPI in Canada, retail sales in Great British Pound. We got last week very negative data about the GBP, so we're gonna take a look at the technical chart. So we can have a very strong drop of the Great British Pound this week. And Bank of Canada monetary policy report with interest rate decision in the evening, 3 p.m. Wednesday GMT. This is gonna be the event for Canada for sure. Thursday, employment change for Australia, early morning, 12:30 a.m. GMT time. Interest rate decision from ECB. The forecast is to keep the same 0.00 interest rate, but let's see. Crude oil inventories on Thursday also 4 p.m. and New Zealand CPI 9:45. Friday, only the Great British Pound is going to be volatile, probably. Composite PMI, manufacturing PMI and services PMI 9:30 GMT in the morning for United Kingdom. So this is the economic calendar. Great British Pound, Canadian and Euro are in focus. So we start with US dollar. Let's take a look at the technicals to see what's going on. Euro broken 1.1116, heading down to 1.1072. Still didn't test it out. Right now, as we see a slight recovery, slight retracement against this drop 60 pips last Friday. So we definitely can see the price is testing 1.1116 before it continued drops down. Great British Pound, this is it. We definitely, I would say, we can see drop to 1.2788. We talk about 200 pips. Of course, it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen probably to the end of the week. It's going to take time and a couple of retracements until it reached our support level. But as we can see, we got momentum. The price started creating lower highs and still not lower lows, so we can say that as a triangle formation. But I really believe we're gonna see the breakout of 1.29, 1.30 actually, and this minor support level 1.2951. For now, I am bearish on the GBP despite the very strong uptrend on our daily chart. Australian US, very similar situation, tested to 0.6929, whatever. Strong momentum. Price is trying to push down to test the support 0.6862 as our support didn't manage to reach it, and right now slight recovery, and after that I think we can see drop to the downside. Totally bearish for the Australian. We can see change of the major trends. It's a matter of time, not yet, but we have some points to say that, as you can see. 0.6829 is a good target to aim for Australian US dollar. So this is it. New Zealand US, a little bit more stronger than the Australian dollar. For now, I am bullish on the New Zealand US. As you can see, just the trend is very strong to the upside. This is just, we can consider definitely as just a recovery. The price is fluctuating on the support level 0.66, 0.6635 between these two boundaries, and it's just going up and down like a small range around this zone. So after that we definitely can see in the next couple of days up to the end of the week, we definitely can see strength of the New Zealand dollar to the upside. So be careful if you're gonna take any short trades, guys, because this is, for now, it's very strong support 0.66. USDCAD going directly to the crude oil. So we've been expecting this upward momentum, and we definitely can see the crude oil testing again between 60 and 61, 62 around these levels here, because it's in an uptrend. We had a talk about drop after that slight recovery, and after that dropping down from like exactly like this price behavior here. But this gap is very important that happened over the weekend here, and also the momentum that we have and the support 57.42. So for now it's just we have to wait to see how the price is going to react from here. Is it going to continue going up, or it's going to break out 57.42? If you ask me, I'm gonna take short trades only if I see 57.42 broken. Until then, I'm looking for buy trades, good buy entries. This said, if we see crude oil going down, you know what's gonna happen. Canadian goes down, USDCAD goes up, testing 1.3130 or 1.3145, approximately this level, which is about 80 pips away from our current price. Other case scenario, if we see crude oil goes up and respect the gap, of course, almost close the gap here, respect it and continue to the upside and reaching 60 to 62 dollars, we definitely can see USD Canadian testing 1.30 and 1.2954. Why not? And as you can see, it's ranging on the top, which is quite normal until the crude oil finds its direction. USD Swiss, 0.97 is our major resistance right now. 0.9683, just 20 pips away from the resistance level. We definitely can see test of the resistance, and after that continuation to the downside. Totally bearish, absolutely. I'm not gonna looking for any buy opportunities for sure. I'm gonna wait just a couple of days to see how the USD Swiss is gonna react, and after that I'm gonna looking for good short opportunities. USD Swiss, USD Japanese yen. We had a discussion about it. Still, Dow Jones has been pumped up a lot to the upside. We definitely can see down 30,000 basis points. So until then, the USD Japanese is just gonna go higher and higher. Once we see once we see Dow Jones dropping down, then definitely we can see USD Japanese dropping down as well, just following Dow Jones. For now, 109.74 is our support level. We can see definitely test of the support level, and after that bounce back to the upside. We're in an uptrend. If we zoom out a bit, we simply, our next resistance, as you can see, is 110.70, approximately that high here, and we're gonna put it later on. It's a zone between this level and this level. We're gonna put it later. For now, we're just gonna wait for the retracement. It can happen now. It can go a little bit up, and after that we can see retracement back to the downside of the USD Japanese. Still, we have no idea, so that's why we have to wait until the retracement is a fact. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, of course. Share us and like us on the social medias everywhere, and of course comments below if you want to reach. You know how to do it. Have a very profitable week, of course, and expect my video on Wednesday. Bye bye.